Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for all the love and support on my last video. I appreciate it, every single one of y'all. And today we're going to be using the new ILuvSarahii and Dose of Colors palette. It looks like this. And this is kind of a first impressions tutorial video, so keep on watching. So now again, I'm going to take the Cover FX contour kit in G light to medium and just conceal my brows. And I'm going to use G70 with a B medallion tool in 7.2.
Sorry if my work covered in dank, cause I've been rolling with a skunk all day. All these bitches know that you're my nigga. I ain't tripping off of any old niggas, cause I don't care about yo nigga, 4 nigga, 5 nigga, 6 nigga. I ain't give a shit about shit, nigga, girl, that's you got niggas, and I got bitches.
So now with the Anastasia brow wiz, I'm gonna just go in and fill in the bald spots.
You got niggas, and I got bitches. You got niggas, I want you. Know that you're my nigga. I ain't tripping off of any old niggas, cause I don't care about yo nigga, 4 nigga, 5 nigga, 6 nigga. I ain't give a shit about shit, nigga, girl, that's girl, that's girl, you must be doing magic. Girl, you must be doing magic. Turn fucking you to a habit. I can name a lot of things that the other man won't do for you. I do for you. When I ain't shit at your condo, relate. Check the scene to see that you straight. Then cut like kiss cake. I got that feeling for you. That feeling that you crave each time I do it for you. I make that bad pussy be ain't not poppin'. The topic, so open the budget, I'm potty, so fuck it. The concierge told me my new baby looking like Latoya Lucky. Let my money get older and older and older and older like Regis. And she when I fuck with no bro nigga, no nigga, only a real. You got niggas, and I got niggas.
Grab a MAC 266 brush and just brush that out, blend that out.
Let's go, white hoe, and I only fuck with, and I only fuck with rich hoes, and I only fuck with dead hoes, white hoe, let's go, white hoe, let's go, and I only fuck with dead hoes, and I only fuck with dead hoes, black hoe, let's go, black hoe, let's go, she just need a nigga, with a check though, moving too slow, move to the left, moving too slow, move to the left.
So now we're just gonna conceal the brows with the Tarte Shape Tape and medium with the Beauty Blender.
I'm a skinny nigga, you see these tight clothes. Piped up, yeah, I'm pipe ho. Come and get pipe for the night ho. Oh, designer drawers and I need some ice ho. Oh, a lot of hoes, yeah, I need some condoms. Oh, fucking when you're Cardi, you get high ho. Oh, you ride too slow, are you high ho? Are you high ho? Come and sit some drink, pop some pill, come get high ho. We be on the jet, we so hot, we on fly mode. I be flexing on the elite pop, but they pie mode. With my eyes closed. I'm on Bang, bro. I got hella ho, got that nasty flow, she get nasty though. And I only fuck with rich hoes, and I only fuck with dead hoes. White hoe, let's go. White hoe, let's go. And I only fuck with dead hoes, and I only fuck with with it, ho. Yo, black hoe, yo, let's go. Black hoe, yo, let's go. Let's go. On flat start, looking like who next up. Hold your face up. I just got my check up. Got my cash up. Ain't good no check up. Get your bands up. Yo, face down, ass up. Walking around the club with your hands up. Walking around the club, I'm no dancer. Keep that pole on me, I might just blam, yo. Keep that pole on me, I told him man up. Walk inside that bed, I made him stand up. I'm a walking lit bitch with your camera. She want the whole thing, I gave her sample. The way I stole that bitch, like where your man go. Fucking on this bitch inside.
So now to set my lids, I'm gonna take a Chanel setting powder, and it's called in the shade 30. I don't know how to say that. I'll list it below.
Got a money counting on me, baby, how you love that? I'm a big timer, baby, how you love that? Got a money counting on me, baby, how you love that? Got borders on me right now, how you love that? I'm dripping on them, baby, how you love that? I'm dripping on them, baby, how you love that? I'm dripping on them now, how you love that? I'm dripping on them now, how you love that? I'm dripping flavor, you just a trader. No sports agent, I am a player.
So I'm gonna take poquito más, and I'm gonna go in the crease with a Morphe M13 brush.
On my feet getting laced up. Hublot wrapped around my wrist, is perfect timing. Hublot wrapped around her wrist, I'm trying to find her. I got fine bitches on me just like China. Here's your chance for you to prove it, girl, line up.
So now I'm gonna go in with Sun Glow. It's the gold shade in the palette. And first I'm gonna grab a flat brush from MAC, a 217 brush, and I'm gonna spray it with any setting spray.
We toasting up right now, how you love that? I can pay your rent right now, how you love that? I can pay your bills right now, how you love that? I buy your brand new car, how you love that? I'm standing on the bar, how you love that? We came in VIP, how you love that? We came in VIP, how you love that?
I think it's loungy, the black shade. It's not really black, it has like little iridescent blue, goldish, like glitter, and I'm gonna put this on the corner of my crease.
I got a feeling she want me like I want her. So they want a taste of the highlights. So they want a taste of the highlights.
Now with the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, I'm gonna moisturize my face. And just
oh, we the chit chat, motherfucker. We the chit chat, all that type of shit, oh, we the chit chat, nigga, get back. And my pocket stuff with big rack, can you sniff that?
So now for foundation, we're gonna use the Luminous Silk Giorgio Armani. I'm gonna shake that real quick, give it a 1-2.
Hey, everything on me is dripping. I'm dripping. Whoa, everything about me different. Whoa, you hoes up this so scared to kissing. Stop it, bitch. Hey, big we the chit chat, hold you listen. My diamond be glistening. Twinkle, twinkle, gotta listen, bitch. Now, Lil Benjamin be gripping it. Bitch, in the club, snow, baby, this. I don't care if the shoe real. Why you still fake kicking it? My salmon on Instagram. Boy, I know you ain't getting it.
Now we're gonna conceal with the Shape Tape in Medium by Tarte. This is for the T-zone area.
I got big racks, I got big racks. Nigga get back, nigga get back. Oh, we the chit chat, nigga, get back. And my pocket stuff with big rack, can you sniff that? I'm in they mouth just like a tit-tat, can you get that? Oh, I can't lick that, but I break the heart like me.
Grab the Fenty beauty stick, matchsticks, and truffle, and I'm gonna just apply this where I want my contour.
What's the problem? In the arm, in the blessings, in the thoughts, in the blessings, yeah. But the drive, in the fashion, in the mileage, I'm in the measure. In the charge, I'm in the dread. Black and Chinese, man's on relief. Pop it for me, please. Hands on your knees. Came up out the trees. Everything is cheap.
Now we're gonna conceal under the eyes with the concealer.
Yeah, she couldn't drive, but she took a test. Told her wrap around, just like the necklace. These not 40 pointers, dripping like quarter water. Really don't see you sorta. Moving in out the border, really ain't taking orders. Living a dangerous life, hell trying to melt the ice. Levitate through the night.
What's the meaning? These niggas scheming. She popped the sand, the bitch is sleeping. My cool too fast, police done see me. If they catch me, they gon' try to seize me. Yeah, machine ran, the codes all scanned. She popped the bands, she did it a scam. Running through coin sunny, but ain't gon' tell me. No snitches. All this water they collecting in the well. All these pills,
Chanel powder.
all my niggas they free out of jail, we on the well.
Black and Chinese, man's on relief. Pop it for me, please. Hands on your knees. Came up out the trees. Everything achieved. Bless me with the keys. Never wanna leave. Yeah, level driving, you pedestrian. Yeah, 200,000, a pot of pressure. Yeah, she couldn't drive it, she took a Tesla. Told her wrap around me just like the necklace. Yeah.
Pocket, rocket, bank, rolls, all the hoes at the shows.
So now I keep saying for now. For bronzer, I'm gonna take the MakeupForever Pro Bronze Fusion in 25i, almost done, with a Chanel foundation powder brush and just tap, tap, tap.
7 a.m. I was fucking your love. 11 a.m. You took that bitch right to brunch. Like, oh goddamn, that's the bitch that I want. Oh goddamn, diamonds all in my fronts. Like 7 a.m. I was fucking your love. 11 a.m. You took that bitch right to brunch. Like, oh goddamn, that's the bitch that I want. Oh goddamn, diamonds all in my fronts.
Now I'm gonna bronze under my lips to create that shadow to make my lips appear bigger. And this is a Morphe M164 brush. I'm gonna just go back in with poquito más under the eyes.
Coming home, they be waiting on me. Like jump on my dick, all that faking on me.
Now for blush, I'm gonna take a MAC blush and sincere and a MAC 160 brush. To set my face, I'm going to use the Cover FX Mattifying Setting Spray. I'm gonna use my go-to MakeupForever in golden, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. So first you want to make sure that your face is like damp and not like fully dry. You want that gleaming highlight.
Supply your bitch, I got pistols, no wood. I want tacos that are making good. Helicopter chopping with the buzz. Stuff them rats inside them if they nudge. Bang that other side, nigga, curse. Have my reefer louder than a speaker. Yeah, my niece is hanging with the Beatles. If you ever find a better keeper. 37 cameras for the sneakers. Going out like Oscar Benny Siegel. Send a cop, I can't wait to mistreat them. Forcing your hoe, I can't wait to mislead them. And beat them, they my people. That's my best friend, that's my best friend.
For lip liner, I'm going to use a MakeupForever, and I don't even know the color of this one. I'll get it for you guys. And I just line my lip.
In the summer, dead ass girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah. Yeah, she keep giving me.
I'm gonna grab the Dose of Colors in Brillo
now
to put on top.
She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man.
Have it.
I say why don't we make an agreement then we can just while we're being friends.
ILuvSarahii and the Dose of Colors collaboration, and I also added the Dose of Colors lip gloss. And I'm gonna link all the products below so you guys can go back and look. And please subscribe, like, comment. Thank you for watching.